Who be this? Lady Ruth.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Are you ready for us?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's go.
I keep fighting voices in my head that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Am I more than just a sum of every high and every low? Reminds me once again of who I am, because I need to know. Oh, and you said I am loved when I can't feel a thing, yeah. You said I am strong when I think I am weak. And you say I am held when I keep falling short. When I don't belong, yes, you say I am yours. The only thing that matters right now is everything you say to me, is everything you think of me. Oh, I find peace, I find my worth in you, God. I find my identity. Oh, 'cause you said I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You said I am strong when I think I am weak. And you said I am held when I keep falling short. What you say of me, oh, I believe, I believe, oh, I believe.
Thank you.